In the following clip, you will learn how to replace the headphone and charging ports on the Samsung Galaxy A12. Spare parts and tools can be found in the video description. First, remove the SIM tray. Carefully drive along the side edge using a flat auxiliary tool. Be careful not to go too deep. Now remove a flex connection. Remove the 6 marked screws. Now you can remove the antenna module. Remove the battery connection. Then disconnect another flex connection. Remove 7 screws. Remove the next module. Carefully disconnect an antenna cable and undo another flex connection. Now you can replace the headphone and charging ports. Tighten the flex connection. Connect the antenna cable. Insert the antenna module and screw it in place. Attach the flex connection first and then the battery flex cable. Finally, insert the second antenna module and screw it in place. Connect another flex connection and carefully press the back cover into place. Finally, reinsert the SIM tray. You can find spare parts and repair people on our website kaputt.de.